Welcome back to WTV Sisasela. We're still here in Kangala on a very cold day. Prof, basiphethe kamnandi ngamakofi, everything to warm us up, especially mina. Ngoba yeah, mina namakhaza azwane kahle. Prof, I've got an issue. Umuntu ungifonela on Friday. Uthi Brad Keeping in an interview on Monday. Angathi ngenzeni? Kanjani? Ukuphi prof? Ngaleso sikhathi prof akekho. Prof is out of the country. Brad Keeping omunye ungifonela on Sunday evening. Uthi, I'm like, but why did you have to wait? You know what I mean? I didn't know. Whatever. People call me all the time. Bangibizile a department of whatever, but angikho sure ukuthi kuzohamba kanjani. Ini Spanish contract yami yaphela. Kanjani. What do I do? Angazi mina. Prof, Umpendulo. Isiwasho Somsebenzi. Please tell us about lento.
Isiwasho brakhebi ngengahlala phansi ngabuka labantu abanokufika la ekhaya abanye bafika la ekhaya angikho prof we just need ngiyaku interview so uyibekile prof ngifuna umuthi ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyocashwa mafika lapho uthoka ukuthi kunomunye umuntu ophethe lo muthi loya interviewayo bese ziyaclicka uyalusa so ngayibuka ngathi impendulo ikhona la impendulo yini ikingihlale phansi ngiyenza iresearch yami ngathatha lo kanjani nami ngabeka incwadi yami ngathwala phansi ngavula ngabe ukuthi okay bathi Isiwasho nomuntu akuhlangana ithi mina ngihlanganise ngaya into yami ngagaya ngathatha lo wamuthi ngafaka ngathatha lo wamuthi kuze sithi umpendulo kunompendulo la ekhaya so uyasebenza namhlanje ngenxa lezi zinto ezimbili so ngathi mina no ithi sithi umpendulo ngoba nayo impendulo uyitholile impendulo ngokusebenzisa lama product athi mkhulu ngifuna nethi kuphela malume Isiwasho ngawahlala ngambheka ngathi ithi ngimshanga lesiwasho sami mangimshanga lesiwasho sami thathana lamafutha ami la mafutha ubona awana nestick masha awana stick nje masha ngabe sengawakha akusi unlocking all kudida imithi kwadida nayo yonke into ihlula abathakathi sihlula yonke into sihlula nomuntu lapha oloku afuna ukuqasha bomzala angafuni abantu bangaphandle bangene ngathi mina labantu labo ukuthi baqasha bomzala ngiyayiqeda manje ngakha lezi zinto lezi ukuze lo muntu akwazi ukungena emsebenzini asebenze ukuthi sengibukele ama cost yani yama cost ukuthi umuntu kwanze uza la ekhaya usuka eThekwini uzofika la ekhaya khiphe 2.5 aphinda khiphe 1000 e-transport aphinda khiphe 200 ukudla la endleleni but lo muntu ufuna umsebenzi ngayibuka lento ngayihlanganisa ngathi lezi zinto lezi yong2 ngizozikhipha ngemali nje kuphela ya 2.5 le 2.5 shothi ingamele ukuthi ungasizi la ekhaya ngokugeza kwakho lapha ekhaya khona uvuke ekseni uhambe emsebenzini ku-interview yakho ngifuna babethunini ngeke ungene bathi wenza interview bathi no there's no job.
Okay, and I just want to remind people ukuthi la ekhaya Isiwasho sasekhaya asithengwe mara ba start siyenzwa la ekhaya just so that people don't forget ukuthi mhlawumbe uprof uhambo that's why you don't see prof mara ba start
angeke nani ngeke ngithole lapha ngilokuphushana nabantu ngithi ngifuna imithi cha ngeke bafowethu hey even nakuphi ngeke ngithole even ase bathi kuseThekwini bus station ngeke ngithole ngathi ngithole maybe ngiphethe amaphondo empty.
Okay, all right, so another question most of the time ukuthi is that fine prof umsebenzi ngutholile but the contract yaphela next month Umpendulo angangisiza ukuthi ba extend or he doesn't do that
uyokwenza umpendulo
okay
into ekufuna uyenze wena qhubeka ungastophi phela uthi ngoba ngithola 6 months contract ithi ngiyeke ngizayibona qhubeka ukuthi immediately la emkhathini kwale 6 months bathi kuwe no we have decided to promote you or to permanent you.
Okay, so masithi bengingasebenzisa umpendulo but then I contract yami yaphela next month. How soon should I come here? Should I wait 1 month, 2 months?
Vele uma uthi papa uthi yasiyaphela next month buya.
Okay.
Buya. Sifike ukusebenze noma uqhubeke naye but the wise idea come because of so usebenzise uhlila isikhathi.
Okay. All right. Last question, bro. So someone might sit there and say, okay, fine, kunompendulo, kunala unlocking oil, kunoThebo ngifuna umsebenzi. Should I go for okay? Of course, Thebo is when you're already employed. I understand. I understand. Thebo obviously is next level. It's not this level. But which, like for example, which one should I choose? Like, should I go for unlocking? Should I come for this? Or lay it on the straight? Somsebenzi specifically, whereas unlocking oil, ibamba, other things. So which one should I get? The one that is focused solely on umsebenzi, or can I take unlocking oil instead of lentole?
Baf uthatha na.
Okay.
Lo ubheke straight umuntu othi ngifuna umsebenzi. Ngiya ku interview kusasa. Ngiya ku interview next week. Ngi-applyile apps. Bayangifuna. But kune problem ukuthi ngafika lapha kanti umsebenzi bawubekele simangele. Sethina basibiza nethu kuzo ku record ukuthi sabiza abantu abayi10 umuntu waphasa ulo. So lo kuzokusiza ukuthi umsebenzi ungawuluzi ngenxa yasimangela.
Okay. All right. I know I said it was the last question, but this one is the this one is the last question, Prof. How long is Umpendulo going to be in? How long is it gonna last, and how often should I come? Nizo renew, ngizothenga umunye or
no maphela buzothenga.
Okay.
Because of angisho lento le Isiwasho nemithi ehlanganisile iyageza ikho egazini lakho. So mawuyochitha kuyaphela.
Okay.
Mawucupha la akugcwaliseleki.
Okay.
Kuyaphela.
All right.
So kufuna makuphela sithi kuphele nakho. Ubuzolanda le bottle and then kuphele nakho uyabuya uzorefill.
Okay.
Uze nako lo ungalahli.
Okay.
Don't throw it away.
All right.
Special this one.
Okay.
If you throw it away izoba nenkinga.
Fanele ngize esikolweni or uyayithumela?
Ngathumela nawe masobuya le number ekuthumela bosa back uthi ngifuna zona lezi.
Okay.
Si reload siphinde sithumele emuva.
All right. All right guys, nizwele ke Umpendulo khona uzophendula uzobathi ngizophendula imithandazo yenu. Prof, siyabonga.
Bonga mina Bra KB.